In this video, I'm going to show you how to record a specific window in OBS Studio, step by step, so you can capture just the app you want without recording your entire screen. This is perfect if you're making tutorials, recording software demos, or streaming while keeping other apps private. We'll also fix the common black screen issue and make sure your window fits perfectly on the canvas. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more OBS and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open OBS Studio and make sure you're on the main interface where you can see your preview, sources, and controls. Look at the Sources panel near the bottom of the screen. This is where you tell OBS what you want to record. To add a new source, click the plus icon. From the list that appears, select Window Capture, then click OK. You'll now see the Window Capture Properties window pop up. This is where you choose exactly which application window you want to record. At the top, you can rename the source if you want, especially if you plan to capture multiple windows later. Next, find the Window drop-down menu. Click it and you'll see a list of all currently open applications on your computer. Choose the specific app or window you want to record. Make sure the application is already open, otherwise it won't appear in the list. Once selected, you should see a preview of that window in OBS. Now, if your screen turns black or you don't see the window preview, don't worry, this is a very common issue. To fix the black screen, look for the Capture Method option in the same window capture settings. Change the capture method to Windows 10. As soon as you do this, the preview should appear correctly. This fix works for most users on Windows and solves the black screen problem instantly. After that, click OK to confirm your settings. Now, back in the main OBS preview, you might notice that the captured window doesn't fit the screen properly. It could be too small, off-center, or partially cut off. To fix this, go to the Sources panel. Right-click on your window capture source, hover over Transform, and then click Fit to Screen. This will automatically resize and align the window to perfectly fit your OBS canvas. At this point, you're fully set up to record a specific window in OBS Studio. You can now press Start Recording or Start Streaming, and OBS will only capture that selected application, even if you switch between other windows on your computer. This keeps your recordings clean, professional, and distraction-free. And that's it. You now know how to record a specific window in OBS Studio, fix the black screen issue, and properly fit your capture to the screen. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.